Have you ever caught yourself clenching your jaw without realizing it? Or noticed your shoulders sitting high near your ears, as though bracing for something? Maybe you felt a heaviness across your chest that made it harder to breathe deeply. These aren't random sensations. They're signs. They're the body's quiet language, revealing where the masks we wear settle in and take hold. Welcome back to the Why We Wear Masks series. I'm Mary Beth Rim, and today we're exploring body awareness, specifically the three places where masks most often live: the jaw, the shoulders, and the chest. And before we begin, if this message resonates with you, be sure to hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel so you can journey through this full series with me. Before we dive into each area, let's pause to recognize something important. Our bodies are storytellers. They hold the chapters we've lived, even the ones we'd rather forget. When we wear masks, pretending, performing, protecting, they don't just stay in our minds. They lodge themselves physically, becoming tension, tightness, or even pain. Today, we're not here to fix or force anything. We're here to just listen, to bring awareness to what's already there, because the simple act of noticing is a powerful first step towards unmasking. So let's begin. Settle in and find a comfortable place to either sit up or lie down. And close your eyes gently if that feels safe. If that doesn't, then just gaze down. Taking a deep breath. And exhale. Let it go. Let's begin with the jaw. Think about how often you've swallowed words or to keep the peace, held back a truth to avoid conflict, or smiled when inside you wanted to cry. The jaw becomes the gatekeeper of these unsaid words. Clenched teeth, a locked mouth, even nighttime grinding. These are the marks of the mask that says, I can't say what I really feel. So take a moment right now to notice your jaw. Is it tight? Are your teeth touching? Can you gently part your lips, soften your tongue, and allow your mouth to rest open? Imagine you're releasing a story you've kept inside. You don't have to speak it aloud. Just feel the muscle letting go, as though you're finally allowed to stop holding it in. Now, let's move to the shoulders. These are the coat hangers of the body, carrying the masks we wear in our roles. The I've got it all together mask. The I can carry it all mask. The I can't let anyone down mask. Every time we wear these masks, the shoulders rise just slightly, bracing against the invisible weight. Over time, that weight becomes real. Tight knots, chronic pain, a sense of carrying the world. I want you to check in right now. Where are your shoulders sitting? Are they lifted? Tense? Almost protecting you? Take a breath in. And on the exhale, imagine those masks sliding off. Let your shoulders drop. Roll them back slowly. Feel the difference between carrying and releasing. This isn't about weakness. It's about allowing yourself to set down what was never fully yours to hold. And now, the chest. The place where we guard what's most tender. When we fear being hurt or rejected, the chest closes. We hunch forward. We cross our arms. We create armor to protect the heart. But when the chest stays guarded for too long, we lose access to the full depth of our breath, our openness, our ability to connect. Right now, place one hand over your chest. Notice how it feels. Heavy, tight, closed. Take a slow, deep inhale, expanding through the ribs. Hold for a gentle pause. Then exhale, letting the muscles around the chest soften. Imagine your heart space widening, even if just by a fraction. A little more room, a little less armor. So today, your invitation is to notice. Notice your jaw when it tightens. Ask yourself, what words am I holding back? Notice your shoulders when they rise. Ask yourself, what weight am I trying to carry alone? Notice your chest. When it closes, ask yourself, what part of me is longing to be protected? This isn't about tearing the masks away. It's about awareness, about gently seeing the ways they live in your body. Because once you see them, you can begin to soften them. Masks are clever. They don't always reveal themselves in thoughts or words, but the body always tells the truth. So as you move through your day, listen for the whispers in your jaw, your shoulders, your chest. Each moment of awareness is an act of unmasking. Take one final deep breath in and release. And open your eyes. And if this practice spoke to you, I'd love for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you won't miss the next step in this journey of peeling back the layers and rediscovering who you are beneath the masks. Because when we unmask, we don't just breathe easier. We live freer, lighter, and more authentically. Thank you for practicing with me today. I'm Mary Beth Rim. Until next time.